Not every workshop is equipped to handle a 36K overhaul, but here at PrimeServ Panama we are. We have the tooling, the experience, and the in-house capacity to fully restore four-stroke engine, especially models like 2131 and the 3240. The 36K overhaul is a full restoration. When it's done right, it leaves the engine running like new, efficient, reliable, and ready for thousands of hours of operation. That's why many operators choose to perform this overhaul even before the 36,000 hour mark, especially after a major failure. Things like crankshaft damage, worn out camshaft, or a drop in oil pressure, those are signs it's time for a full reset. Whether you're looking to give your main or auxiliary engine the 36K overhaul they deserve, or you simply want to count on a trusted partner here in Panama for future needs, our sales team is ready to assist you.